Yeah, so the 40% score will be like this. It will be the min of 40 and the max of 0, comma, Kaggle score minus the 0.35 times 100. So that will be the 40% score. Whatever comes out from this will be your score out of 40. Okay.
So, is there any scope to extend the time?
Uh, for that,
Is there any possibility?
no, sir has clearly said no to any kind of extension in the deadline.
But,
The
sir, there
deadline,
is no.
the deadline was already kind of extended because the initial planning was till Sunday only. So it's kind of already an extended version
But, sir,
in the
we had OPPs on Saturday and Sunday, and the
uh,
weekly assignments are also there.
I totally get that part, but the dates were already
And there,
announced.
sir,
See, the
one more
dates.
thing I want you to convey him, that is three unknown topics are thrown at us and call it a project. This is, I mean, this is worse than Mad 1, Mad 2. And there is no, I mean, Kaggle Hub is not known to many of us. This is, I mean, is
Uh,
it, I mean,
But
if
the main thing is that the whole time is in setting up the notebook, not on the model training.
Right, sir. We have trained so many times, and then we are getting just two, three logs. Matlab, in the process, we have trained so many times, but for showing to the teachers, we have just one or two logs available. Matlab, one training cycle available, and some students don't have that also.
uh, yeah,
then,
see,
sir, I think we should not submit it. I'm not going to submit it because if there is no proper guidance and no just by questioning, you can't teach somebody just by questioning. It is not. I mean, I'm not no one to teach him. I mean, how to teach, but this is just by questioning you can't teach somebody.
mm, okay.
This is not
Uh,
right, sir. I'm not disrespecting him, but this is unacceptable, sir. I'm sorry.
okay. Let me see if Livin sir can join the session. Wait for that.
Anyway, sir, are they expect us to use ChatGPT and all? Uh,
You
is
can
it,
you can use
yes, I
to
know we can, but they expect us to do that? That there
what
is
we
a
expect
different
you us what we expect us is to try and go through the
explore things.
documentation. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's the part
but
that's mostly expected. But for the LLM users, you can use it as far as you are able to understand the things that are happening.
yes, I have also used for some parts, but I know many students they are using only ChatGPT and Copilot. If they are expect us to do that, then it is okay. You can add some more components to it, even now also.
Okay. Regarding the extension, Living sir said that they are looking into it.
It is not possible.
Okay, once finalized, he
Great.
will tell. But I will still say that do not expect much. Okay. Try doing whatever you can. The track you only account for the 10% of overall mass, overall grading. Okay. So you can try submitting the rest till then. Okay. Even if you are stuck at the track queue, that part can be handled later if the deadline is extended. So till then, you can do the rest of the training part. That is just training the model and submitting out on the Kaggle.
Yes,
That
that's
part I think can be done, right? Only the
yeah.
track queue part is something that was like mostly we are asking you to explore. Okay.
Track.io, GitHub, and all are.
Uh, uh,
Sir, the
yeah, yeah.
deadline for
Sir,
the
even the
course
notebook is stuck
is
like
today.
for many students. Sorry.
One by one, one by one. Yeah, Dhruv.
So I am asking that the deadline for report submission is tomorrow 12 a.m. or it is by 2012.
Today, 11:59 p.m. is the deadline. Okay.
It's for the
Even if
Kaggle
you
notebook.
for everything. Okay.
So,
The report submission is also through the form. So the G form will most likely be closed by 12 today.
so on the course portal, it is written that duration is 7:11 to 11:11 up to 12 a.m.
Yeah, so 11:12 a.m. is technically today 11:59 p.m. So it's like just 1 minute after it will be closed.
Sir, for last half an hour, my notebook is stuck. I mean, it is showing scoring, not
Yes.
doing
Sir,
anything.
my simple CSV file is stuck.
Uh,
Note.
Yes,
uh,
notebook is going to stuck.
for that, one thing I can tell is you can do one thing that you can download the submission.csv and just try submitting the CSV file.
Sir, I am doing that
So
only. I am
even
doing that
writing
only.
code
30
also.
minutes. 30 minutes is from 30 minutes that CSV file is also not getting submitted.
Okay, okay. That should not happen. Have you checked your CSV file? Is it like proper?
It just
Sir,
now completed, but it took 30 minutes.
it is
It,
correct,
it
sir.
it 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 is
Okay,
scoring now.
maybe if it is taking 30 minutes, if it is taking 30 minutes for everyone, then it's okay. But if it's just for you, then it's a problem. So it depends how it's getting scoring for everyone. Yeah. Anything else?
Pulkit,
Yeah.
this Hugging Face data set, I was facing some challenges there. So what I was trying to do is I just take a snapshot of once the training is finished, model is finished. It is capturing everything is capturing, but only thing is I'm not getting because there is one of the deliverable to have the data set, right?
Data set card. Yeah, we want that.
So instead, I can for every version I have a snapshot. Is it
Mm.
fine? Because this is where
No,
I have.
because what they are asking, I think, in that is the dataset card link. So we want the link for that. Okay. Maybe have you watched the Living Sir session that he took?
Yeah, sir. Actually, the problem is in the 11th session, he has not told this, and so many people got stuck here because they are manually taking it, but they are not able to get the entire track IO log. So, what's the problem is actually in the session he has missed out one part that we have to add HFs, we have to add secrets in the spaces also, right? So there's a section in the settings of spaces where you have to add the secret key with the name HF token, and then only the track IO will be logged simply from the Kaggle notebook. Otherwise, it won't be logged. So he has missed out that part in the session, and that's why many students are get. Even I was stuck for like 4 to 5 hours yesterday, but then I revealed it in the morning today in the group chat of Gchat. So many students face that doubt from the morning only. They are complaining about this part. They are not able to use this track IO. So the main thing is secrets you have to add in both the things like Kaggle also, and in the spaces also. And sometimes what happens is if you are running the track IO before adding the secret, your entire that space is getting corrupted. So if that space is corrupted, then you have to delete the space and restart it again, and then add that HF secret first, and then only you can run on the Kaggle. That's the procedure. That's the standard
One
procedure.
minute. So first of all, the adding the token in the Hugging Face, by that you mean something like this?
Yeah. The same
But
thing. The
yeah,
same
then
thing.
without that, how you will get the token then?
No, here it is already there. But then there is this spaces when you create the new space, let's say. So in that
Okay,
also,
the space will automatically get created if you directly initialize using the tracker, right?
but it was not.
No, actually,
It was
as
getting
per even
initialized. It was getting initialized. Yeah, but then ultimately it's crashing. Like it is not registering all the logs.
So
It is getting
it
initialized, but then
shows invalid username and password. Is it?
yeah. That's the problem which
this
is
is
coming in the.
continuously coming,
Uh,
continuously
right.
this one is coming, but it is capturing. I have the snapshot of all the recorded.
See, I
Yeah,
did
yeah.
when students started raising the issue in the discourse, I did try whatever the things that even sir mentioned. Like it's the random data, not the trained one, but yeah, using some logging metrics, I was
You,
able to log it correctly.
you see, sir, there is a settings tab, na? In that there is the option given. This setting tab, yeah. In this, scroll down, and if you see here, there is this variables and
You,
secrets.
you mean
So
here
here, yeah, here only. So here you have to add this new secret.
again?
There it is. It is no, not in your case, but usually it is not there in the other people's students
No,
who are
secret of
creating
what?
the
What secret
uh,
we need to
Exactly.
add?
Secret of what?
access. This is where you have to add your access token, which you have created, which you are using in the Kaggle also, and you have to add same here also.
Already the secret is for the space, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, but that is not available sometimes, and
Oh,
so you
for
have
the
to manually add it.
okay, whatever we created the secret for the space has to go into the
Hmm.
data set, is it?
see,
Okay, this
see
I
what
Yeah,
I
did
yeah.
was
not
doing
know.
when I was testing it. Okay, so from the secrets from the Kaggle, I added it in the HF underscore token, and then I logged in through the Hugging Face. And the rest part is mostly just the same, like by initializing the project and logging the metrics.
Okay, so this part actually, sir, has skipped. Maybe this login was there in his digit recognizer notebook. I don't know. Maybe I have skipped that part. Or it was not there in the notebook. I guess just the one which sir has shared. Yeah, this login one. In fact,
You mean this one?
yeah, this one. I don't know. Maybe if it is missing or something like that.
Yes, it is not
Okay.
there.
Okay. So this is missing actually.
Sir, first we have to
Yeah.
create account on Hugging Face.
Yeah, of course, you have to create an account on Hugging Face. For that, you can use any email ID. Okay. Once you are done creating the account, okay, like uh, once you are done creating the account, then you can simply go to the settings and access token, and then from that you create a token, then go to your Kaggle notebook and set it up there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
uh, they go away after a while. It's most likely if they are going away after a while, then I think the tokens and all are not properly set. Okay, if they are
Oh yeah,
properly set, and then yeah.
yeah. Actually, I can quickly share my collab if that's fine.
See,
Uh,
I will not allow that because there's a plagiarism
okay.
check in the
Oh, okay.
NPP. So if something got leaked, then I will not be responsible for that.
No,
That's
no.
why.
I can show my like a Huggins face. If that's okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah. Okay. That part you can share.
okay, just give me a moment. Login in.
Yeah, but make sure that nothing gets leaked from your side because if something got, then you will not be
Oh yeah,
responsible
yeah.
for it.
Sorry, just a moment. I'm just logging in right now because I just want to understand like what's going on. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is my space overall. So I have
Hmm.
tried multiple times. So I will just quickly. So I have created a group in my Kaggle over
Yeah.
there. So previously it was showing like a simple group over here, and there was like a simple CNN and this ResNet model that I have built. They were showing both.
Mm-hmm.
but after a while they will go away. So right now it's showing over here, but I'm not sure how long it's gonna stay over there. And
Yeah, the
as per
same
the
thing happened
token,
earlier. Initially, it was there, and then
yeah,
suddenly it is coming only one iteration. Multiple iteration, it is
Okay.
not. Initially, it
oh
came.
yeah. So this is
Uh,
the token I'm using right now.
And I checked
can,
the repository. Somebody from this HF, there is a HF admin or somebody from Hugging Face. Somebody logged into my account and then did something. I don't know. There is a commit done by that person.
Oh yeah, also I tested as well with like a different track IO. So I was getting like I don't know what's going on, to be honest. This is the
can
part
you
that surprised
go
me.
to the runs?
Runs? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So
For your main project, yeah, whichever has all the logs.
okay, 25 T3. So yeah, so
It's
it
not.
shows nothing over here. Same thing. I checked for the previous like a simple group as well. So it won't show anything over there. But on the
No, that is
dashboard,
why
it
this is the
will
reason I
show
was
for a
taking
while.
a snapshot. See, earlier, the first time when I create the space, all my iterations were coming. I was able to see multiple iterations.
Oh
But
yeah,
the
actually
second
I
day,
took.
it has gone. Only one iteration it will show. And whenever I do the next training, that will go. So I always used to
Yes.
take a snapshot of whatever.
Mhm.
Actually, as you can see over here, I also took some snapshot. Uh, I haven't uploaded it in the Google form, but these were the like the simple models that I ran previously. So there
Yeah,
were
yeah.
multiples of
So
them. So just want to show you.
So
I'll
similar
stop
thing
sharing now.
happens. Yesterday, I ran few models 4 5
Mhm.
times and logged them. But when I used login today, the old runs are not showing on the track IO. I also raised that in the discourse.
yeah. So the reason is simple. That's what I am saying. I have done that and I have gone through that. And the reason is simple. Maybe you will have to restart the space, or maybe you have to delete and create this new space again. And then first of all, add the HF token to that secrets. And once you add that to the secrets, then only you run that track IO in the Kaggle hub. Otherwise, the data will come one by one and it will go away. Like it will not stay there. That persistence will not be there. So that's what I have tried and I have resolved that issue today.
Now currently I have logged approx 10 models. It is showing currently, but I am not sure it will stay or it will
Okay, so
disappear
then
after.
try doing what Rahul said, okay? Like in the space setting, okay, add your Hugging Face token and maybe try loading it again.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, it is
Pulkit, we
already
will
showing
do
that.
that, Pulkit. We can do that, but whatever is gone, right? I have
Did you
only
not?
snapshots now.
Yeah, because it takes a lot of time. I mean, to train,
Or we need to
and
rerun the
just we got
model.
other courses.
After doing
Have you
this,
stored the logs in some directory
No, actually,
while
I
training?
made a mistake. I did not.
Mm, okay.
the snapshot is not fine. What
The
additional
snapshot is
information
something
is?
like that can be copied easily. So snapshot is not reliable totally.
No. Snapshot with the proper my ID. The URL is there, right? And the space is there. If you take a
Mhm.
snapshot, the snapshot comes with a URL, with a space, with a timestamp, or whatever my desktop.
Okay. I am not
Because
sure what
otherwise, you have to
did.
give some more time. We will fix this and then rerun everything.
Yeah, I got that
For
part.
rerunning,
Yeah,
for me, 30 hours
rerunning.
is almost gone.
Yeah, rerunning part. I totally agree. Rerunning won't be possible now. Okay. I will pass these things to the instructor. Let's see about what can happen. Okay.
Just one suggestion from my end for the next term. So we are new to this Kaggle hub and secret keys, everything. So just to keep some demo NPPE so that we can learn about all how to use track IOs, how to use Hugging Face, and how
Yeah,
to use
most likely you
Kaggle.
have to use them again in NPP2. So for
If you,
now,
what are you saying? Is
uh,
it?
NPP2 also most likely it will be like same setup. That's what I am expecting.
Okay, at least before NPP, please have a session kind of
Yeah,
thing so that we
I
can learn a little bit
that
about
thing
track
is
IOs.
already in the planning.
Mm.
Okay, that thing
So,
is
yeah,
already in the
so that
planning. Let's
in
see
the
if we are able to
yeah, so
execute
that
that before.
NPPE we can focus only on that questions instead of focusing on track IO, Hugging Face, everything. We can focus only on questions so that it will be helpful for us.
Okay. Thing was that the Tracheo part was not discussed was first. Otherwise, I would have suggested that already. Anyways, anything else?
Yeah, also
Extension
for
part.
this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry to cut you. So for the submission, I was able to submit it on my end, and like in there, there was a link that we have to submit the data set for the track IO, and for
Yeah.
that I was getting
For the
4 of
Hugging Face,
it.
I think it was Hugging Face card.
Yes, yes, yep. So just want to let you know for that same reason, I think.
Mhm. Okay. Yeah, I will
And this
consider.
one page document, we just document all the parameters and the values
Not the parameters
needed.
values.
Mm.
It's basically about the things that you experimented with. Okay.
Yeah,
Things that you find out. Okay. And the improvement that you got over the experiments. Okay. Those are the things that you have to write in the documentation.
yeah, the improvement obviously it is there, right? You want a description of what it is, because
Yeah.
the leaderboard shows the improvement. Yeah,
Yeah. I get that.
the
Like,
Kaggle score is the improvement, but what else?
but what we want is what you did that leads to your improvement. Okay.
Yeah,
Just
there will be
description.
change. Basically, changing the parameters. We would have either fine tuned, added layers.
Yeah. And
So
add your
that's
reasoning
one of the
also.
doubt,
What's the reasoning behind that?
that when we create any convolutional network, then how to decide what parameters to add. Like on this model, we randomly took any number and just made anything and tried running that and getting a score. And if we are not getting a good score, we are adding more layers to it. How we can decide what to add and what activation functions are required to
See,
it.
generally, we do not train the CNN from the scratch, okay, as it has quite a lot of parameters that needs to be get decided, okay. So generally, the best way to go with is the fine tuning way, okay. The basic implementation was there so that you get an idea how it's get done, okay. But the general way would be is to take a pre-trained model and do the fine tuning on that for your downstream task. Okay. Now, in the pre-training, there are multiple ways, of course. One is you do the full fine-tuning in which you retrain all the parameters. Other thing you can do is just train the classification head. Okay. Or then there are more fine-tuning techniques like PEFT and LoRa that you will be learning in the degree level courses if you take the deep learning practice. Okay.
Is it like the grid search CV?
Not like the grid search CV. What the LoRa does is basically it will add some more parameters. So the original parameters will not get trained, but the extra parameters that you are adding will get trained. So, and it uses the SVD on the way. So that's like basic understanding what happens in that case.
Okay.
As grid search CV, it's what it does is like an exhaustive search for all the parameter lists that you will find. So that will be very expensive while training with the CNN. So we do not do that. Any other query? Is that warm up is not famous if you are meant by LoRa and PEF, then warm-up is not famous there. Warm-up is the regularization method.
Sir, we also had to add a collaborator.
Yes, you have to add DLJNI project as a collaborator.
Sir, how we can add that collaborator means
On the Kaggle,
Is it just a share, like share the
yeah,
with the notebook with the,
share
okay.
notebook, yeah. So if you click on share, here if you like DLJNI project, Okay, if you just type it,
So
okay,
deadline extended.
oh, it's extended.
Yes,
Okay,
I've
by how
just got a
much?
mail.
By what time?
It's tomorrow midnight.
Tomorrow midnight. Okay, one day extension. Okay, now you can. Okay, yeah, I also
Now
have.
we can enjoy some.
Okay,
No, but I do not have this. What is this?
see, if
Kaggle
you
lovers. Any
Sir, what is this
possibility?
penalty?
this the penalty is uh, based on how you submit it. Okay, so based on when you submit, the penalty will be applied. You can read this. By 12, if you submit, then no penalty. By 13, if you are going to submit, then 5%. By 14, if you are going to submit, then 7. By 15, then 10%. And by,
Like, sir, the marks that we got, it's cut off for 5.
yeah, so if you got like, if you are able to get 100%, then only 95 you will get 5% penalty of whatever the total NPP score that you are going to get. Okay. So if you, let's
Okay,
suppose
sir.
if you are getting 80, then it will be 5% of 80. That will marks will be cut from your score.
So the deadline actually is 12, is it?
The original deadline is 12, by which if you
But in the
submit, that
portal
is
it's showing 11.
12 a.m. 12,
Yeah,
12 a.m. That,
always. Yeah,
okay, just
everyone
look at
please
the
make
time.
sure like 12 a means one day before.
Yeah. Okay, 12
Oh,
a.m.
okay,
is,
okay.
it's
Yes,
technically
yes.
11. Okay, so you have one more day for tomorrow, by which you, if you submit, then there will be no penalty for you. Okay, and then if you submit by 13, then 5% penalty. By 14, then 7%, and 15 is the harsh deadline, by which if you submit, then you will get 10% penalty. After that, no more extension will be given. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any more thing about NPP? Okay. If not, then I'll start with what I was planning to do today. That is week 7. We will do. Okay.
So could you just once, could you just the, go through the track IU process once, please? Maybe in the
Uh,
end, it'll be okay
uh,
if do
okay.
it in that way. Yeah.
I will just use what I did for a demo purpose. Okay. So this was something that I was trying to do. Okay. So in the add-ons part, in the secret, of course, you have to add your secret here. Okay. And I've used the name of my secret key to be HF underscore token. Okay. If you do not know how to create the token, it's very simple. It's just that on the home page of Hugging Face, once you go, okay, this is your home page. You have to click on your profile, and here you will be having this access token, and you can create a new token by clicking here. Okay, give your token name, whatever token name you want, and give the right access to it. Okay, remember with the right access, give your token name, click on create token, you will get your token. Copy it. Okay, come to Kaggle. Okay, here in the secrets, add that token here. Okay, now once that is done, okay, first thing is of course you have to install the track.io using pip install track.io. Okay, then this part that will basically comes directly from the, or you can directly copy paste it from here.
Yes,
Okay,
snippet.
Sir,
Yeah.
could you please tell the process once again?
okay, okay. Let me share the contact.
And that
Also, sorry
person
to
was
cut you off.
saying, and that person was saying we have to add some secret in the
Yeah.
track
I
IO.
got that. Yeah.
Sir, also, I am
Yeah.
getting a out of memory error when generating the submission files. The training is done, it is not giving any error, but when creating the submission file, it is giving out of memory error. And
She checks how much memory your models and logs are using if you are tracking them.
Sir, I created the models and checked the model is only taking 1 MB, but on the memory it is showing for 15 GB is already occupied while creating the summation file.
Then while training, see, you have to reduce the then trainings, your loop size, epoch
Sir,
size, or
I
number.
already uh, select the lowest base size. The base size I selected 16. Number of epochs are 2.
Best size selected is 16. Are you running like multiple models in one go?
No, sir. I am just trying with the Scratch CNN.
Mm, okay, I will tell about that part later. Just let me first finish up this part. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So let me start it again. First, go to the Hugging Face, create your account. Once you are done creating your account, for account creation, you can use any email ID. Not necessary to be a student ID. You can use any email ID. I will recommend you to use personal email ID for that whatever things you are doing should stay in your account forever. After going that, click on your profile. Okay. In the access token, you have to create a token here. Okay. In the create new token, select the read token type to be read. Give some name. You can give it any name. Okay. And let's suppose I will give it as test token. Okay. Create this token. You will get the token here. Copy that token here. Then come back to your Kaggle. Okay. In the Kaggle, click on the secret through the add-ons. Yeah. Any query, Tom? Click on add-ons. Secret. This thing will open. Click on add secret. In the value part, test your secret. In the label part, what you want to give. So I will give it as test token. Click on save. Okay. Once that is
Sir,
done,
excuse me, sir. You are
I
in the Kaggle, is it?
yes. Now I'm in the Kaggle.
Kaggle notebook, is it?
Yes.
What is
I
the
see.
HF token you got?
Uh,
You just selected the test token.
yeah. I got my token here. After copying that token, I just pasted the token in the secret.
No, in your Kaggle it is showing a HF token already.
That was my previous work. Okay. Currently, this is the token that I created. Test token. This,
Excuse me. How did you get the screen, sir? Secrets,
click on add-ons. Secret. This
add-ons.
will up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Also, when you create the space on the Hugging Face, uh, like we are supposed to be selecting the Gradle and then the track IO, right? In there.
I have not created the space yet.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now, once the token is added, you have to install the track IO as it is not already installed. Okay. And I think this will only get installed if your phone number is verified on the Kaggle. Okay. So if you are facing any connection timeout issue, then make sure you verify your phone number while creating your Kaggle account. Okay. Otherwise, you can throw error. Once the installation is complete, you will be copy pasting this code. Okay. Now here is the part that you have to write. So as now I was using the test token, so I will write here test underscore token. Okay. Okay. Now in the environment variable, whatever the name that you want to give. Okay. So let me here also you can give that name as let's suppose test token. Okay. If you run the cell, then it will get saved. Okay. I think I should install it if it is there.
Sir, today's session you are going to streaming also.
Sorry.
Sir, you're going to streaming also the session.
Currently I'm not started the streaming. I will start the streaming once I start for my content. Okay. Currently it's getting
Okay, sir.
recorded only. Okay, now installation is finished. It is also done. You can check whether the token is correctly set or not by looking at this variable here. Okay, if you get the output, that means your token is correctly saved. Okay, after that you can log in through the Hugging Face by using the test token that you have. Okay, so just pass that from Hugging Face, import the login. Then in that there will be this parameter token. Okay, in that you have to pass the value of your token. So from os.environment, you can get your token and log in it. Okay, once it is done, okay, it will not show, either it can show the node that it was showing earlier. Even if it's showing that, then also it is fine, no problem with that. Once that is done, we have to come to the track.io initialization. You have to import the track.io, then track.io.init, your project name, your space ID, what ID you want to give. It will be in the form of your username. So my username in the Hugging Face is Pulkit09. Okay, you can replace this with whatever username you have. Okay, so your username you can put here. Okay, and then it will be basically your space name, whatever name you want to give. Okay, I think if some format is mentioned on here, then you can use that format if some format is mentioned here. Okay, and then the name of your run, so it's dummy test run that you go, and the group that you want to save. Okay, if you run that, then it will be initializing. The later part, it's already mentioned here what you can do. Okay, how you can log it and all. So yeah, that's you have to do. Okay, hopefully I tried it, then it was working.
So Kaggle Hub, when I was doing the Scratch model, it was taking the model, but when I changed the model to the, I mean, pretend model, then it is throwing error. I mean, it is
What
throwing
error
error.
you were getting?
It is saying not acceptable. Some, I mean, the data framework changed something like that. But it was working fine when was uploading the Scratch model. That model I have created with the help of Torch. But
Yes,
when it
Rahul.
is pretend model, then the mismatch is happening. Is there any framework or something that I have to change?
I think you have not changed the checkpoint file name. Like whenever you uh, change the model, the dash version is added there. Dash V1, dash V2, like that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, Rahul.
So where
Uh,
in this Hugging Face we need to put this key again for the data set?
With that, so in the way that I did, it does not need to because it already got saved. Okay. So in the way that I was doing, you do not have to do that.
And so
Oh, this is how
that's
I did. This is how I did, but it is not recording in the data set. My code is exactly the same. I took it from Livin only. The code base from Livin.
and so in the Hugging Face, do we have to create a group and space both? Or you have added a group
you
there?
just have to create space, and you have to mention the group name also, like the project name. You have to mention that.
Mhm.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
so
actually, I did not do the logging part, but yeah, just used the token and created the space manually in case that's the issue. That's the
yeah,
different line that I saw today.
yeah. So out of
Sir, I have a doubt. Can I ask?
yeah,
Sir, suppose I have created the entire file, so the Kaggle notebook. So now, when it is at a submission stage, because now the half of the data will be evaluated from the private set.
yeah.
So now, what part of it has to be commented out? Like my models which I have created will be accessible to you. Uh,
See, do not worry. Like how the
uh,
scoring happens is,
mhm.
we will compute the score on the entire data set that we have. Okay. So the score is already computed on the entire data set. It's just that currently for you guys, it will only show for the half of the data set score. Okay, so you do not have to do anything from your end. It is automatically done by our end. Okay.
Okay, so I don't have to worry about like what part of my notebook is commented out
Yeah.
or it's
Yeah.
written.
If you get
Okay.
a if you get a
Mm-hmm.
successful submission and you are able to see your score on Kaggle, then do not
Mm-hmm.
worry about the private scoring. That is automatically done.
Okay, 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 okay,
It's
okay,
just that after the deadline ends, the score will automatically be shown on the private dashboard also.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Pulkit, where in Hugging Face we need to add this key? The data set that somebody was telling we
That
need to add
uh,
key.
that he was telling that I think in the space that you created in the
Yes.
setting, okay, in the scroll down, then you will get somewhere token icon. Yeah, here variable and secrets. So here you can add new secret here.
So your screen is done.
Your screen is not visible. You are
Uh,
changing the window. Your screen
uh,
is stuck at access tokens.
oh, okay, okay. Yeah, here.
Yeah, yeah, now it's visible.
Yeah. So I was saying that in your space, okay, once it got created. So for the way that I did not have to do or like add it separately, but
Mm-hmm.
just make sure you check that it's visible. So like in your space, if you go to the setting and scroll down to this variable and secret section, okay, the HF token that you created should be visible here. Okay, if it's not, then you can add it from here.
And it has to be just for future's reference. It has to be named HF token only.
No, 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 no. It has to be the name, whatever the name that you set in the environment.
Okay, okay, okay.
Not necessary
Mm-hmm.
to be HF underscore token. Any name would
Mm-hmm.
be fine.
Okay,
So
okay.
this HF token is that from that Kaggle notebook.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, same you have to
Okay.
use there.
For simplicity, I would say just use one name, whatever the name you are using, across the environment name for the secret name. So,
Right.
yeah. Yes, Manan. Manan.
Yeah, I am audible.
Yes.
Yeah, so sir, I was facing the issue of I was not able to predict the age and gender correctly for my model, which I built Scratch CNN. So I also tried to debug the code, but I'm still not able to improve my score. So any
Uh,
suggestions from your side how I can
Regarding,
debug it or
uh, so is it the same issue that you talked on the discourse?
yeah for the same issue.
See, just check your prediction part. Okay. As I said, try it on sample training data, how it's getting used. Okay. And then just check your classification head. Okay. Maybe use the print statement at some point. Okay. That in that way you will be
Mm.
able to see from which part you are getting the mistake. Okay. That's the only way
You
that
mean to say to just first try with my training data?
yeah, training data on the data you trained.
Training
Okay.
data.
Yeah, because if
Okay.
on that data you are saying that you are able to get a good reduction in the loss for good accuracy and all, then if it's working fine on the training, then in your test prediction you did something wrong. But if it's wrong in the training part, then just check that loop once.
So, sir, for my training, actually, I'm getting average loss as a deduction in every
I'm
epoch.
not saying about the loss,
And
I'm saying about the prediction. Just check the prediction that it is making. Okay. Take one sample from the training one and try to predict for that sample. Okay. What prediction you are
inside the
getting.
training loop,
Not inside the training group, your model now, right? The train model. Okay. Use the
yeah,
train
yes.
model to do the prediction now. Okay.
Okay, I will try, sir. I'm still confused.
Pulkit,
Sir, in
this name, what we have to give is the same name as the secret token what created for the Hugging Space, or anything can be okay. Anything is
In
fine.
the secret, you can pass any name, not necessary to be the same name.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Tisha.
Sir, in Kaggle there was no option for selecting GPU.
It is there. So
Sir, I was trying to access, but it's not getting.
First, verify your phone number,
yeah,
then
did you do
then
that?
it will show.
In the setting
No,
accelerator, it will show, but you have to verify your phone number. Okay, only then you will be getting this.
sir, where I have to verify the number?
So for that, if you, I hope it does not expose my number. 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, so in your profile, okay, you can go to your settings and in the phone verification, you will see this option. Okay, so
Okay,
for
sir.
you, it will show like it will ask for the verification. So you can do that here. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, for Kaggle assignments, should I use my personal email ID or student email
Any
ID?
email ID is fine for uh, assignments also.
Okay.
Sir, the student who submitted the NPP, so they can resubmit it?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, deadline is
Okay.
extended for everyone, so you can submit it anytime.
Okay, sir. Because we want to improve the
Just make
score
sure,
because
yeah, you can do that. Just make sure that after tomorrow, okay, after tomorrow, 11:59 p.m., if you submit it, then the penalty will apply.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, is there any threshold you have set it like in leaderboard or anything?
No, it's just that this formula is there. Okay. This formula is for your the scoring for the 40% that is mentioned here. Okay. So
So, sir,
this
what is
40%,
the cutoff percent, cutoff score?
it's not the cutoff percent. The 40% that is mentioned here will be
Okay, no,
done
I am,
using this formula. Okay.
but
That's,
what will be the actually cutoff score for Kaggle? I mean,
no, no, we have
how it
not
will
set any
be?
cutoff score. We have not set any cutoff
But
score.
in the but someone are saying that cutoff score is 0.75.
No, 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 it is not.
Or
Maybe they might have
I
tried
mean,
with this, like how you can get the 40%, full 40% from here. So maybe that's what they tried here. Okay. So you can check that like what score you should get minimum, such that it becomes full 40 marks here. So that you can mathematically try it out. Okay. In this formula, that how you what should be the minimum score you should get, such that you are able to get the 40% from here. Okay. The remaining marking will be like this: that if you have implemented the model from scratch, the 20 marks will be from there. 10 marks for fine tuning, 10 marks for track IO. The remaining 20 are by TS.
Sir, do we need to add the description about everything in the Kaggle notebook itself in the markdown?
Uh, Description of what?
That what we are doing it there in the code, or only the heading part is needed as given in this description overview part?
Mm,
So here, so scroll up when you can scroll up. So
mhm.
this the setup library imports.
Oh
We
yeah,
have
yeah.
only this
In
heading,
the
or
Kaggle notebook, this part is only required. Okay. In the main report that you are going to write this one, in that you can mention what are the things that you did and try it out and what it leads to improvement.
so can you please take that out of memory error?
Memory error part, see, I most likely the memory is getting filled because of the gradients going back. So I think that was the case, that it was using more memory. So I would say just check your training loops and how the things are getting calculated. Make sure nothing else is using much memory. Okay. So what are the things that you are trying now?
Sir, I have tried training the model. The model training is done, and it doesn't show any error. When I try to generate the final submission CSV by using the predicting on the model, I am getting the error.
Okay, try to allocate when a GPU has a total capacity of 14, of which 25 process is in use. Allocate a minute. This much should not be used. Hmm, okay, you have divided your test data set into batches, right? Using data loader.
Yes, sir. I have divided with.
Not sure why you are getting this specifically after training. By that time it should got free. Uh,
Sir, if you allow, I can paste the code that I am using to
no.
uh,
I will not allow for that. As I said,
only for
you,
creating submission CSV.
no. Better not to do that. Okay. So this, we have the plagiarism. It's clearly mentioned here where it was mentioned. Right? Okay. So okay, do not do that. So you have to figure it out on your own. You can try taking help from any LLM. Okay, for this part.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, Manan.
Sir, as I said, I was not able to get the correct prediction. So, if you, as you said, I have to first try it on my. Can you repeat, sir? I didn't get your point earlier. What you said, the solution.
What I was saying that after you train your model, just take one image from your training dataset and see the prediction that you are getting. Okay.
Prediction in the sense you mean to say what score I should be
Not the
focusing on.
score, because
I mean,
your problem is about the prediction part, right? That on your test dataset you are only getting one constant value. So
yeah,
check the
yeah.
prediction in that part. So
Sir, any help you will, I mean, any resource to get that? I mean, how to do
okay,
that, sir?
most
Debugging, sir.
you can go through the some maybe Stack Overflow. Try searching your problem there. Okay.
Because
Or the Microsoft.
I am unable to do it on my own, so that's why
So,
I'm facing so much trouble, sir.
Manan, I'm sorry, what are you asking? I
Hello.
mean, how do you display a picture with the real value? I mean, the real prediction and I mean, your prediction, right? Real value and your prediction. Is it?
No, my problem is my prediction are all wrong.
Oh,
It's not even predicting the correct gender and age and everything.
For the
Uh,
test data, you are doing a shuffle is equal to true or false.
For test, it is false.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Tripling part should not create the problem. Main problem might be something how it is getting predicted in the end. So as I said, just check your classification head, okay, that you are doing, and try to predict on your training one how you are getting the prediction. Just the way you are doing the prediction on the training data set, try doing it for your for just how you're doing for the test data set, try doing it on the train one also. Okay.
Prediction
Did you
on the
get
training, it should
uh,
be in my training loop. That
not in
prediction
the
should
training
be,
loop after you have evaluated, you have your train model stored in some variable, right?
yes.
Okay. Now use that and pass your training data set. Just maybe one sample from the data set and see the prediction that you got.
You can try splitting the given data set into validation data set also and get the validation loss.
Yeah, yeah, I've done that, but
If the validation
mm,
loss is exactly zero, it's mean that you are just swapping the values for classification. And if it is not zero, then you have to just tune the model.
okay, sir, I will try. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Karthik.
Can I share my screen? I'm still facing this challenge.
Okay, just make sure you do not show any code.
No, this is this only the hugging face only. So this is my access token. This access token is correctly set in the Kaggle. Kaggle I already set. As you said, the environmental secret, it is already there.
Yeah, okay.
So it is set, and then this two, it is already there. And every time sometimes it is not coming, so I'm just flushing the cache. Only this I'm doing. So in
Okay.
Hugging Face, everything is coming clearly. Only thing is
Okay.
I'm not able to have the repetitive. What is the problem is the repetition, right? So this problem is the repetition. I have my space. If I put my project, this one will come. The last one will come. It will hold. Only thing is the same thing. I don't have it in my data set. This data set also I created. It is not coming here. So now what you are trying to say is we have to give it in the setting, right? Or not?
Not in this setting. In the space, go to the space. Yeah, here.
Here I should
Here.
add it as a variable or a secret.
Secret, secret.
So I'm trying to paste my secret. This is my full key. It is not taking.
HF token, HF token. Name it HF token. I'm telling you. Name it HF token. It will be better. Capital HF and token. No, in capital only. Entire thing in capital. Yeah, yeah. Now that is the thing.
Oh.
Save it. But after saving it, if it is save it. Once save it. No, no. Just remove description. You don't need to mention.
Okay.
Just save it. And now see if it is perform. Just press that track IO button. If it is performing fine, then it's okay. Otherwise, I'll suggest you something different.
Which track IO button?
One where the in the code in the code. In
Kaggle or here?
In the Kaggle only. In the Kaggle only.
Do not do it
Go
now.
to
Do not do it now. Just
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, but you do it after uh, just switching off this screen sharing. You do it,
Okay.
and then you see if it is tracking properly or not. If it is not tracking properly, then what you have to do is you have to delete this entire space.
And then
You have
create
to
everything from the beginning and then do it. Okay.
and then first create this HF token and add it, and then only you press that track IO button. Otherwise, it will go corrupted. Okay.
Okay. And here
Where
in this case, sorry, in this case, I have saved my secret as this here,
Yeah, that is
and
fine.
this
That
is
is fine.
HF token. That is fine, right? Yeah.
That is fine. That is not a problem.
Okay. Okay.
and where to add this projecting in the track IO, sir?
Pardon me.
Have you added the project in the track IO? Do you have to do that?
No,
There
here
is
I added, right, and then the piece of code what Levin has
this
given.
is the
Yeah.
secret.
Yeah, the same project. This is the project name. There is a small 4-piece code. Just now, what is his name?
Okay, so this is the name that is given there, the project.
Yeah, this is what is the project name. I have just used the same for the key as well as the project
Yes,
also.
but in the project,
Four-line code
in the competition
where we
description,
initiate
there is a
the Hugging Face. There is a init code. Just now, Pulkit also showed.
yes,
There is
that is
init.
okay, but there is a project name given in the competition description. in the Kaggle. Don't
Please.
show the code.
Yeah, I use the same thing. I
Yes.
use
So
this for
this project
space.
is it? No, no, no. After that, yeah. So this project, where do we have to add this?
Yeah,
Yeah,
in the
you have
init.
to add
In
this
the
in the
init.
code. Okay, you have to add this in the code where you initialize the track IO. Track IO dot init, where you
In,
provide this command. There you have to pass this parameter project equals to 25T3 NPP1.
the
Yeah,
here,
yeah,
here,
this you can.
this one.
Yeah, yeah.
In this project, you have to put 25T3, and
Okay.
then your email, your login ID, and then whatever
Yes,
space
sir.
you have
Got it.
created.
Yeah.
All
Thank
this,
you.
this will take care.
Also, the name will be different for every run.
Yeah, this you have to religiously you have to change.
Yeah, right.
Please, okay, this one is digit recognizer. Okay, I check this. Okay. Avoid sharing your notebook.
Thanks, Rahul and Fulkit. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Anshuman.
Yeah, I'm having some problems with track IO. So could I share my screen and maybe you could
Uh,
help me
See, the
navigate?
screen sharing, if you are going to show your code, that is not allowed due to the plagiarism issue.
No, I'll not show my code.
Okay, then yeah, that's fine.
Uh, okay. So I hope it's visible, right?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Yeah. So I
Hello.
uh, this is the run I'm
Yeah.
talking about. This one.
Yeah.
But in metrics, I'm not able to find it. Uh, there is nothing ResNet 50.
Okay. Yeah. Efficient. Let's not scratch. Can you go to the runs again?
Okay.
Yeah. Can you click on the name?
It's of something app. Something. There is only the option to delete it. Nothing else.
No, no, no. On the name. What you will
This
see
one,
if you click. Yeah.
it opens something login screen.
It will ask you to log in. Just
My details.
yeah.
All right.
It's not in the listed of choice. Okay. It's not there in the runs, I think.
So exactly, what exactly is the issue? Maybe it's not getting logged or something like that.
Oh, either it got overridden or something, I feel. I'm not sure why it's staying
Okay.
in the runs, so that's why it's not able to catch them.
Uh, one way I was able to access it here was when I sort by group, and then in this drop down it's there, but no data. Data does not updates. It's the same old data.
Yeah, I'm not sure why it's got there, but maybe it's got overridden or something. Not exactly
Okay.
sure of this, okay?
Okay. One more question I have.
Hmm.
Whenever I try to just like
Hmm.
train my model,
Hmm.
my validation score just dips a bit and then it keeps rising, kind of like overfitting.
Mm-hmm.
So, what do you suggest? Maybe I should
Uh,
use early stopping. I am using early stopping, but maybe I should train
have
for
you
some more
used
epochs.
dropout?
Yeah, I use dropouts. This is one of my runs. I hope it's not an issue
Yeah,
to
this
show
one
it
is
here.
not an issue.
Yeah, so
Mm.
it drops initially, my validation scores a bit, and then it keeps shooting up.
Can you scroll up?
So What I'm doing is I'm using
How much
early stopping
excreting
for,
early stopping you are using? Okay.
yeah,
You are using, have you tried with the reduced cellar on Plato?
yeah, I tried that. So what I'm asking that maybe I should ignore early stopping for an experiment and let it run all 30 bucks. Would it
Or
be?
yeah, you are running for 30 epochs. How much time
Uh,
it is taking?
no, it's over about 7 8 bucks.
Yeah, this 7 it is fine. 30 epochs I think will be very expensive.
Yeah. So
Uh,
what I'm thinking is maybe once I should let it run to all 30 40 bucks.
I am not sure whether you will be able to run it for 30 40 epochs. Because you might run out of your CPU limit. Okay.
Uh,
So do not waste it on this stuff. Okay. So this is for the scratch model or the pre-trained model.
I don't remember exactly what was this. Let
I-
me check.
you can stop sharing it.
Yeah,
No,
wait.
I will not recommend. You can stop sharing
Uh,
it and check.
I'll stop
If
sharing.
it is for like scratch model, then I will suggest do not waste time on that. Okay. If it is for pre-trained, then try experimenting with maybe uh, some more regularization method. Okay.
Yeah, this one was my scratch model.
Hmm. The scratch model,
Okay,
then
so
maybe try reducing the uh, layers and reduce the complexities.
okay, and what would you suggest to be good early stopping criteria? What should be the patience? I'm right now keeping it as 3 or 4.
Okay,
Is it
three,
okay?
four, I think is less. Maybe try with 5 or 7.
Okay,
You can keep till
and
then. Hmm.
and a regularization method I tried was using ADAMW,
Yeah,
vanishing
W.
weights.
Yeah,
Any
W.
any other things that I try?
Mm. The simple regularization methods
So
like
for
L1,
pre-trained
L1, L2 you
for
can try.
pre-trained models, sir, the optimizer is used to be Adam W, not Adam.
It's your wish. Optimizer, you have to decide on your own which
Okay,
Yeah,
all
optimizer you
right.
want.
but if we use Adam also on pre-trained model, then will it work or no? I mean,
It will work.
um,
Okay. The optimizer is independent of these things. Okay.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
okay.
Any more questions? Uh, okay.
No, sir, this is great help. How can I thank you?
Okay. I'm not sure how much I was able to help, but okay, if you think, then okay. Okay. So now I will start streaming if we are done with the NPP part. Okay.
So one last doubt. I did the
Yeah.
verification, but it will showing your verification is pending.
Yeah. It might take few minutes, maybe.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So
It
can
might
I
not
show?
be instant. Uh, one problem with that there are security concerns while you are doing that. Might expose your OTP that you get or your phone number. Okay, so I will not recommend you to share that. Okay. If you still feel any issue after some time, then you can either report it on the Discourse and tag me. I will look at that.
Okay, sir. So after filling the code, it will saying it's correct, but when I go into setting, it will showing verification is pending.
Yeah, as I said, it's not instantly. Okay. Specifically, there are some issue that was going on with Indian number specifically that it takes a little bit more time with the Indian number.
Okay, sir.
So till what time is the deadline extended?
Tomorrow, and there are uh, like technically the harsh deadline is still 15th, but if you submit by tomorrow, then there will be no penalty. But after tomorrow, if you submit, then there will be few penalties based on when you submit that you can look at through your mails.
Okay, tomorrow means tomorrow midnight.
Yeah, tomorrow midnight,
Okay.
11:59 p.m. Okay.
I've not used this Hugging Face and Trackio, but then with the base model I have submitted. I'll try with that. Otherwise, no problem, no?
Yeah, no problem. With the track IO, it's only account for 10%. So if you're not on that, then your grading will be like out of 90%, you can assume.
Okay. Is there any full video of how to do this Hugging Face, Trackio, and this model saving also I've not done?
Yeah,
I
sir.
think the
Any
Levin
resources? Can you
currently
please
that one
share?
we have from our side is the video that Levin did. Okay, in
Okay,
the
that is not from complete end to end.
Yeah, we
uh,
want it for
So
our
that video was
NPPE.
not useful.
Yeah,
Yeah,
before that, so many steps have to be done for Hugging Face and
Today's video will be sufficient if
track I,
you if sir can upload this.
recording when it will be available.
after the
Because I
session,
joined little late. I joined half an hour late. That's why.
after the session, Google takes some time to process the recording, so maybe by midnight it will be available. But then I have to talk about the access because I think the recording has the access issue. So I will try to make it public this one, or I will upload it on the YouTube after that session. Okay,
Okay,
like
this
a separate
Hugging
video.
Face, track you, and model saving. Everything is covered in first.
Kaggle Hub
I mostly covered the Trackio part, not the model saving. Model saving, I don't think so. It should take much
models.
time. It's
Okay.
Now
mostly
we are
about
facing issues in
uh,
that also. Model saving and uploading the model on Kaggle Hub.
yeah, that I understood. So okay, I will
Any
see if
this
officially you can look at the resources that are available. Okay, the Kaggle and the Hugging Face resources. Okay. Most likely it's not 2-3 lines of codes are there for saving the models. Look at the error that you are facing, maybe. Okay. Look at the configuration that you make. That's the only suggestion I have for now. Now,
Okay.
currently, whatever we discussed today, I will upload that recording in the TA session playlist. Okay, as a separate video for the NPP event discussion title like that. Okay, you can find it there.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, one more doubt. When I'm logging on the track IO, I am using the names the model name and the time which I am submitting.
Yeah.
Is I supposed to do like the timestamp thing, or I need to name it like the changes I have done with the model?
It's your wish how you want to keep track of the things. Okay, so it's similar to like kind of the version control thing that we do in the Git. Okay, these are the some naming convention that depends upon you how you want to do the savings and all. Okay, because these are the things that you are going to track. So how you want to do that, it's your wish.
I was asking for the standards which are used.
Standards. Uh, I don't think so. You will be able to add much changes in the part. So you can go with a timestamp and then maybe you can keep track of these things in the some report or kind of in which you can mention the changes more explicitly rather than this.
Okay, thank you.
So shall we start week 7 now?
Yes, sir.
I'll